Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder, the place where we dive deep into the world of corporate filings. Today, we're cracking open an 8K report from FrontView REIT, and let me tell you, it's a bit like finding a mixed bag of candy after Halloween, some treats and maybe some tricks hidden inside. First things first, an 8K filing is basically a company's way of saying, hey, something important happened, and we need to tell the Securities and Exchange Commission and our investors about it right away. Think of it as corporate real-time news. This particular filing from FrontView REIT is dated February of 2025. So who is FrontView REIT? REIT stands for Real Estate Investment Trust. These companies own or finance real estate. FrontView REIT, based out of Dallas, Texas, is structured to invest in and manage properties to generate income for its shareholders. Now let's get to the heart of this filing. It seems FrontView REIT is providing an intra-quarter business update for the first quarter of 2025. This update is shared through a press release. This is where it gets interesting. The company issued a press release providing a business update. A press release is a way for the company to communicate with the public, but there are some specific rules around that. Regulation FD, or fair disclosure, ensures that all investors get the same information at the same time. This prevents companies from selectively sharing information with a few favored investors before making it public. So what does this press release actually say? Well, it's attached as Exhibit 99.1 to this 8K report, incorporated by reference, meaning it's officially part of this filing. Let's dive into that press release. According to the report, it is dated February 27, 2025. Unfortunately, the filing doesn't give us the actual content of the press release. We know the company issued one regarding their business during the first quarter of 2025. This kind of intra-quarter update can cover a range of topics: sales figures, significant deals, changes in strategy, or anything else that could affect the company's performance. The fact that they are putting out a mid-quarter release implies there may have been something important the company felt they should notify investors of quickly, for example, unexpectedly good performance or a deal they just closed. That's really all there is to it in this filing. It's pretty bare bones, but that doesn't mean it is unimportant. Investors often watch for these 8K filings to get a sense of what's happening with a company in between the more detailed quarterly reports. And although the filing is small, it's very important that the company releases it so as to keep everyone informed. So what can we take away from all of this? While this 8K filing itself doesn't provide a ton of information, it signals that FrontView REIT is actively communicating with its investors. The content of that press release will provide more information. Keep in mind that real estate investments are subject to wider market fluctuations, and interest rates can greatly affect real estate returns. Ultimately, whether FrontView REIT is a worthwhile investment will depend on your personal strategy. Thanks for watching. If you found this breakdown helpful, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more Corporate Decoder deep dives.